We got another Kinder Joy. And we're gonna break it. 3, 2, 1, go. See? Got it. We're gonna open the toy first because the toy's the best part.
Yeah, the toy is the best part. And we just open it
ready?
first.
3.
We'll just put our big 3, 2, 3.
Oh my gosh, you're taking so long.
Wow,
Okay.
it's so hard.
Are you my best friend? Forever? 3, 2, 1, go. Oh my gosh. I got the same thing!
I got the same thing as 2.
Oh, you actually did? You actually got the same thing! Go get that. Bad news. Oh, shoot. Bad news. Me and Zach, we both got the same thing.
Yes.
And me and, oh, shoot, wait. Oh, no! Oh, my God. Can you go get that for me, Zach? Zach, you go get mine. So me and Zach literally got the same thing, and me and Zach are so pissed.
We're so pissed off. Oh no, where's my spoon?
This is mine.
Yeah.
I think you can use the spoon that you already used.
But it's this one.
Oh, that's your spoon. Alright, so unfortunately, me and Zach, we both got twins. So twinnies, yeah!
Yay.
Now it's time for the chocolate. This is the best part of the candy. Ready?
3, 2.
Wait, not yet, boy. Alright. We're gonna start with the ball. This ball's out. No, don't eat. You gotta show it. So this is the ball.
Here's just a ball.
Ready? You gotta see it. See?
3, 2, 1.
No! It fell! Yo, wait for me, boy.
There's nothing. Eddie.
So we got another ball. So me and Zach. Me and Zach are done, so bye guys. See you guys next time.